Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got another project share for you, and I bet you already know what it is, a baby girl book. I can't wait to show you this one. Welcome in everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for this project share. And if you're new, it's just wonderful to be here with you. I made my 8x8 baby design, and I used this time Echo Park Baby Girl. So this is for Colleen. She wanted me to make her another one, and it was so much fun. Right here I have it super plain because I want it to speak for itself. The paper is adorable, love the colors, and the craft has this organic feel, and I just think the baby's picture right on the front would look perfect. This time I did use some stash yarn that I had, and I created a couple pom-poms that I thought that matched the paper collection. I've got some twine right here, and the back we've got the wonderful little friends. And oh my goodness, I'm so super excited to ship it out. So right here on the front inside cover, we have a wonderful pouch with a little brad twist tie closure and some more of that twine, a beautiful flap, and then we've got all this wonderful fun stuff in here. Have you ever created this book before? Oh my gosh, I would love to see pictures. This is an oldie but a goodie. My teaching style has improved over the years, and this book is about 4 years old, but it's still a wonderful and fantastic book that you can learn from. I'll go ahead and leave the tutorial link down in the description. And also the paper that I used, it is just so super cute. Wow. I love this cute little, oh my gosh, delivery. Yes, yes, yes. I will also leave all my favorite supplies down in the description below. You'll notice the tutorial for this book. I'm using different supplies, but you can check out that link below and see all the supplies and tools and materials I use these days for every single project. So many different hidden elements in here. This opens up, flips to the left, and we've got month 1 in here, magnetic closure, and a cute little matching ribbon pull tab. And if you're wondering about all these acetate additions that you're going to see in here, look at this cute flap. You can gain instant access upon subscribing to the YBM website. I've got about 66 different classes over there, and it's just so much fun. I popped this frame right up right here, and you can see in the classes all the different techniques I use about adding acetate into your book, so you can customize this to your liking. So this is an upgraded version. Got a beautiful magnetic closure right here. Oh my goodness, yes. I created a little tag out of the cut aparts page. Fussy cut this out of one of the 4x4s, and beautiful uncropped 4x6 photos can fit right on here. And on the back I added the 4x6 cut aparts. Oh my goodness. If you think our hands are full, oh wow, our hearts really truly are. Each one of these 4 pages are pocket pages, and I've got months 1 all the way to 12 for the first year. And I just think it's so fantastic. You just slide them right back in here. And that's a beautiful tab punch by Stampin' Up. We got a side on-page pocket here, 5 months, and a 4x4 picture spot, and 4x6 sweet baby girl. Yes, the paper collection sticker sheet had a lot to do with new edition, new arrival, so there wasn't very many spots for me to kind of just put I love you or baby girl, but it was really focused on new arrival. So in my case, I think it only really truly works at the beginning of the book. And right here we have a beautiful acetate frame. Did I show you this? Oh my goodness, look at the cute little elephant. We've got, again, 4x6 areas here and a cute little sheep. And you can tuck as many or as few pictures in here that you would like. Just incredible. Another one of these inserts, 6 and 7 months. Places for journaling. I just put those journaling lines on there with one of my markers. You know how I like to journal like crazy. And right here we have an excellent spot for a picture. You can slide your picture right in there, mount it on this or not. And then sweet girl, I popped up with some dimensional foam tape, and this opens right up. I used the We Are Memory Keepers doily edge punch that I found many years ago. Here's a cute little tag design right there. Tons of picture space. You could probably hold over 100 in this one. Again, a cute little flip. I know you guys have seen this before, but this is probably one of my most popular books I've ever designed. 8 months right here. And we also have another flip out. Of course, popped up again, and a hidden little sneaky pocket back there. 9 months in here and a cute little owl. Dream big, little one. So this photo mat comes and jumps right at you. And then we've got a cute tuck spot back there. Look at this cute little journaling spot. And again, we've got more photo space in here for month 10 and 11. Just some strips of the design paper to kind of spice that up right there. And again, 4x6 pictures. No cropping, absolutely no cropping necessary. Love it so much. Again, we have B-A-B-Y for baby, a little tuck spot back there, cute little journaling spot, and then wonderful little side tags. I just decided to do kind of a asymmetry style right there with just one of these topped right there. This unit is so cute. It's a cute little magnetic closure right here, and this gatefold opens up to reveal 12 months. Some journaling you could put right here if you wanted in that acetate window again. It just screams love. So much love. This snaps back on. And ribbon pull tab again. Inside of here. Wow. Absolutely, totally normal to pause a lot during the tutorial so that you can work at your own pace. And this is just adorable. Oh my goodness. If you have any questions at all, you can always email me at yourbookofmemories@gmail.com. I answer the quickest there. And look, oh my gosh. This just seriously, I have never tried a different marker for my journaling, and I just thought that would be a great opportunity to give it a go, and I love it. Very, very sturdy paper here as well, and we've got another picture spot back here. A cute little fold out with a moon and a cloud. Wow. 3 pictures already right there. You open this up, and again, we got this very super chunky book. We got more acetate. Look and look. ABCDs. Maybe you're practicing at 1 year old already. Dream big, little lady. Another little 4x6 cutout. I mounted 2 on the back of each other. Beautiful 4x6 picture spot right there. Nice and simple. Back inside cover pocket. Again, I did that little matting technique where I did 2 of the cut aparts with each other. An adorable little 3x3 picture. Wow, thank you everyone so much for joining me. I'll leave the link to the class down in the description. I just thank you so very much for spending time with me. And Colleen, I hope you love this book. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.